Hello everyone, welcome back to Tropical Girl Journeys. Today I'm staying at Harbour Grand Hong Kong and look at this stunning view over the sea. So in this video, we are touring the room and checking out the atmosphere and of course, seeing if the swimming pool is as good as the view. Let's go. I love how you greeted by a grand lobby with high ceilings, marble floors and crystal chandeliers. It feels elegant right from the start. The theme is warm and professional, exactly what you want for a first impression. Harbour Grand is just a 5-minute walk from Fortress Hill MTR, so it's super easy to get around Hong Kong. That's a big plus for a fellow travelers. The room I stayed in was a Premier King with Harbour View, and it was very nice, quiet, cozy, and super comfortable. One thing that I love was that you can see the harbour view right from the bathroom. If you book this room, you'll get a beautiful round bathtub and a rainfall style shower right above your head. They also give you free shampoo, body lotion and hair products, which is really convenient. But just something to keep in mind, the plug sockets are different here. I brought my hair straightener from Thailand and it didn't work with the plug. Luckily, the hotel can give you an adapter for free, but you do need to leave a 200 Hong Kong dollar refundable deposit. So just be ready for that. Another thing I really like about this room is that it comes with an ironing board and an iron. So you can get things done. And just look at this view while you even iron. It's just a nice little touch. Now, let's check out Harbour Club Lounge. This lounge is on the 41st floor, so the view is amazing. You get a full panorama of Victoria Harbour. If you are staying in a club level room, you will have access to this space. They offer breakfast, afternoon tea, even cocktails, and all-day snacks. It's quite elegant and a perfect place to relax. And honestly, it's one of my favorite parts of staying at Harbour Grand. Harbour Grand Hong Kong offers a well-rounded fitness experience with harbour views. The gym is right next to changing rooms and shower area, which are also clean and well maintained. Before I go, here's the quick look at the breakfast room. They offer a wide variety of food, from Western dishes to Asian favorite, and this space is bright, spacious, and calm. It's the perfect way to start your day. Hong Kong has given me just a unique travel experience. I absolutely love the food, and there's still so much more to see. I'll definitely be coming back again. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and leave me a comment. I love to hear your thoughts and your favorite places in Hong Kong. Thanks for joining me on another adventure with the Tropical Girl Journeys. See you in the next video.